Hello, this is the Provoked Prawn, and this is the Corsair HX850 watt power supply and premium PSU cable kit. This is a combination of two products from Corsair, which I'll be using in a PC build, which you can see the full glory of if you look at the videos I have done on the Corsair Obsidian 500D and the RGB LED fan kit and Commander Pro kit. Now the Corsair PSU is a brilliant little modular PSU kit, which is 850 watt, which is more than enough to power a GTX 1070 Ti, which is what I'm using. And the premium PSU cable kit is a nice little addition of black and white cables, which we'll see in a minute. This is an unboxing video to show you what's going on in the boxes and give you a quick breakdown of that. Now, I'm a big fan of Corsair PSUs. I've used them in the past on previous builds. The build quality is always excellent. The cables that you get with them are always excellent, and they just last. I've never had any issues with Corsair power supply units, and power supply is the most important thing going on in your PC, because if that goes wrong, other things can go horribly wrong as well. So it's worth not scrimping on. The good thing about these modern power supply units from Corsair is they also are very good and energy efficient, which means they're not wasting power unnecessarily. 850 watts also gives a good amount of extra power should you need it. And the case that I'm using is going to be using RGB fans and a water cooling system and other things that we'll be using in the power up. Also, we can do video rendering, obviously, and games on an ultra-wide monitor, so some pretty intense power requirements. Now, the Corsair power supply units, actually I was quite surprised, because I bought one of these, last time I bought one of these was a couple of 3 years ago, and the box basically looks the same. The contents are pretty much the same. You get a nice thick manual, which basically covers all the different power supply units from Corsair, and then the nice packaging within inside the box. There's a bag with all the cables in it. Now obviously you've got the extra cables and the premium cable packaging there, which we'll get into in a minute. Silica gel packet, standard kettle plug, traditional, we're used to that. Some cable tidies, which is always a welcome addition to any PC build, and a sticker powered by Corsair. This is the bag with the cables in it. Nice little bag. I've actually got a few of these laying around the house now with multiple different cables inside. There's a selection of different braided cables. They're all black, but there's a good variety of cables in there. You basically got the power for anything you need, including a multitude of hard drives and other parts. And the power supply unit itself comes in this nice velvet-like bag, which personally I don't understand the point in, because once you take the power supply unit out and put it in the case, you're hardly likely to use the bag again. You're not going to want to take it out and transport it. However, I said that to a friend and he said, where else are you going to keep your cab cables in? Well, I thought that's what the cable bag was for, but I suppose you could use the velvety one. Now this is actually the bottom. You can see the bottom, the fan goes underneath, and then you have the different inputs clearly marked. That's one of the things I like. It's nice and easy for building. You've got clear marks of where you're meant to put the different cables, and you've got those cables in the bag. I've also got markings on them to show you which holes they plug into. It's easy enough to install this power supply unit as well. It just screws in nicely to any case you're putting it into. Obviously pairs well with a Corsair case, but works equally as well with any other. The bonus with the HX850 is it's a reasonable size. I've gone from a HX1000, I think, which is a slightly bigger one and a full tower, but this is going in a mid tower, so it's slightly smaller and obviously a bit less power hungry. Just enjoy that velvety goodness there. Now the addition of the premium PSU cable kit might seem pointless, but I'm building an Obsidian 500D case which has glass panels on either side. This is a nice addition because these cables are black and white and they're all braided. They look absolutely beautiful. As you'll see in a minute, the box also includes some other little additions, which includes a little grip system which basically looks like a hair clip, which allows you to position the cables individually and therefore line them up on a sort of contrasting colour schemes of black, white, black, white, black, white, which really looks just brilliant. Really like the braided cable feel to these premium cables. They really look great. Actually, there's a good variety of cables in here as well. One of the things I've found is you could choose one that only had one input on it, so instead of a multitude, if you didn't have loads of different devices, which means you can cut down on the number of cables that you've got to deal with the cable management problems at the end of it. Also, with this premium cable kit, you're basically abandoning all the other cables from the standard power supply unit, so it is a luxury, an extra luxury, but it's worth springing for, I think, because these are particularly good. Again, another velvet case, so you can store all your extra cables in there. This one makes sense because there's no bag. And there's the clips that I was talking about. You attach those to the cable themselves, and then you can separate out the individual cables. See all the cabley goodness, admire it. Isn't it wonderful? If you'd like to see an example of what this looks like, please check out my Obsidian 500D unboxing and slight initial thoughts video, which includes some footage of the fully completed build at the end and shows what the cables look like installed. This has been a simple unboxing video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I highly recommend checking out these Corsair products. Corsair makes some really good stuff, and these cables and power supply unit are an excellent addition to any machine. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you hated it, please drop us a comment to let us know why, because I'm always looking to improve my videos. But please bear in mind my equipment is limited and I can't afford a really expensive camera just yet. If you want to help us out, please click the affiliate links and purchase these products to support the channel. Then maybe I can buy a fancy camera, you never know. Thanks very much for stopping by. See you again soon, hopefully.